Hello, welcome to Path to Wellness. I'm Miriam, and I have an Essential Rewards unboxing video for you today, so stay tuned. So the first thing that comes in every single one is a copy of the Essential Edge. Next thing that I got was from the holiday catalog. It's the Kids Mighty set. So the cool item that came with it is this little beanie. Look how cute that is. So anyway, a special little boy in my life is getting this. I'm not saying who because, yeah. So for Christmas, as part of that set, you get the Mighty Zyme enzymes and the Mighty Vites, which is the multivitamin. So digestive enzymes are very important. They support healthy digestion. And then the Mighty Vites is just a all-encompassing multivitamin for kids. And then the last thing in that was the Mighty Pro, which is a probiotic supplement. My kids have not tried this, and this one has prebiotics and probiotics. You can think of prebiotics as kind of like the food for the probiotic bugs. So I'm super excited. As you can see on the picture here, there's like the little kid and he's just pouring the little packet. So this package is full of a bunch of little packets, and kids can take one packet by just straight into the mouth. So they say that this is formulated with Nixa wolfberry fiber, and it also has over 8 billion active live cultures. Mighty Pro is specially formulated for children to support digestive and immune health, meaning fewer days missed from school or daycare. So it's very important to have a healthy microflora in the gut. And then I have a couple of tubes here of oils. So I'm going to empty those. The first one is Nutmeg Vitality. This was the promotion for the month. If you spent over 100 on ER, then you got the nutmeg. I remember getting nutmeg last year, I think also in November. So I'm excited that I have another one. So that's awesome. And Vitality means that it can be used internally. And last but certainly not least, I have this. In this cute little bag is my loyalty gift for 12 months. So I'm on month 13 now of being on Essential Rewards. And because of that, I get a special blend, Loyalty. Loyalty is a blend of, if you don't see it, just peel up the label. It's a little trick. It has Angelica, Ylang Ylang, Lavender, and Idaho Blue Spruce, Cassia, Vetiver, or Vetiver, I don't know how to say that, Sacred Sandalwood, Geranium, Frankincense, Cardamom, Mastrante, Peppermint, Melissa, and Rose. Wow, that's a lot in there. I'm very interested to see how this smells. Wow. Wow. It reminds me a little bit of Valor, but definitely more of a depthness with the woody, like the sandalwood and the frankincense. Oh my goodness. This smells great. I'm gonna see if I can get a drop out on my wrist. Yeah. Wow. That sounds, it smells amazing. I wish I could share the smell with you. But anyway, this is for all members that have been on ER for a whole year. this is the thank you that Young Living gives, and I love that. You can't just purchase loyalty, and that is just a really special gift. So anyway, as you can see, the main theme was the Mighty set for the kids. I am working with my oldest daughter on just improving her digestive health, and I'm using these supplements to help me do that. So I am very excited about what this new year will bring. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned because every single month I post my unboxing video of Essential Rewards, and I also post videos about essential oils and my journey and about my Young Living business, and once in a while I do food and grocery hauls and organizational videos. So be sure to subscribe, share this channel with your friends. I'm trying to increase my subscribers. I would love to hear your feedback and to get to know you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.